several example geometry part and equilateral triangle ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನೋಡೋಣ. equilateral triangle, the definition says that a triangle with all three sides equal length, all three angles are equal. This is a triangle. Equilateral triangle means this length and this length is equal. All angles, all three sides are equal and all angles are also equal. So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ equilateral triangle ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. equilateral triangle properties ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ all sides are equal. ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೈಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಆಲ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ದಿಸ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮೂರು ಆಂಗಲ್ 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಒಟ್ಟು ಸೇರಿದ್ರೆ 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. some angles 180 degree. Symmetry, threefold rotational symmetry. So this is a equilateral triangle. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೋಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ equilateral triangle ದ ಏರಿಯಾ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏರಿಯಾ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 3/4 ಇಂಟು ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದು. ಸೊ ಹೈಟ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ h ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು square root of 3/2 side or a height formula. Again circumradius 2/3 into height. These are the formula to find the area, height and circumradius. So here some simple equilateral triangle problems. First problem, find the area of an equilateral triangle with side length 4 cm. ಏರಿಯಾ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಸೈಡ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ 4 cm. a ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 4 cm. ಸೊ ಏರಿಯಾದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇವನು √3/4 ಇಂಟು ಸೈಡ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದರೆ a ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 4. Just substitute the value, you get and simplify, you get 4 square root of √3 centimeter square. This is the answer. So next question, find the perimeter of a equilateral triangle with side length 6 centimeter. Perimeter na calculate ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So a equal to 6 centimeter. Just perimeter equal to 3 into a. A means 6. 18 centimeter. And next question, find the height of an equilateral triangle with side length 8 centimeter. Equilateral triangle the height ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಲಿಕ್ಕೆ formula h equal to square root of √3/2 into a. Just substitute a value, you get the, and simplifying you get this answer 4 centimeter. And fourth question, find the side length of an equilateral triangle with area 12 square root of √3 centimeter square. So side length ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಏರಿಯಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟ the given area equal to 12 square root of √3 centimeter square. This is the area. Just substitute area of the formula. This is the formula of area. Next quarter 12 square root of √3 in side square. Just simplifying, side square equal to 48. √3 cancel. Multiplying these two. Simplifying and simplify 4 square root of √3. You get the answer. And last question, find the perimeter of an equilateral triangle with height 6 cm. And the formula, height equal to, this is the formula for finding an height, and height is substitute 6 cm and square root of root 3 by 2 into side equal to, you get the simplifying 4 square root of root 3, and perimeter, just substitute this value, you get this answer. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and subscribe my channel for more videos.